Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix chrome.exe error. The exception unknown software exception 0xE00008 occurred in the application at location. If you are also facing such type of error and suddenly your computer stop working, then here are the fixes, and the first and initial workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major and minor issue of your computer, so you must restart your computer. The second workaround to fix this issue is, if you are facing this problem in your Chrome, then right click on your Chrome desktop shortcuts and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to compatibility and click on run compatibility troubleshooter. Let the window complete the troubleshooting process, compatibility troubleshooters, and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Thereafter, close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If you may check against run this program as an administrator mode and click on apply and OK to save the changes, and check whether your chrome.exe error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command mdsched.exe. mdsched. This will open Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Here, check for your computer for more memory problems. Restart now and check for problems. Recommended option, choose here. Click on this and restart your system. Your system will check for any memory related issue and fix your problem accordingly. The next workaround to fix this issue is, go to Windows search and here type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here execute the command sfc/scan now. This will scan your computer for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. It will take some times. Wait till verification 100%, and once completed, don't forget to restart your system. You must restart your system after sfc scan complete. sfc scan now command complete, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and here type view advanced system settings. Open view advanced system settings. Here from the top menu bar, go to advanced and under performance click on settings. Here from the top menu bar, again go to advanced and under virtual memory click on change. Increase your virtual memory settings. There may be a possibility of memory related issue. Uncheck this option, automatically manage paging the file size for all drives. Uncheck this feature and make the check against custom size. Choose your drive, basically C drive, where your program files locate, and initial paging file size should be 1024 into total amount of RAM into 1.5. Total amount of RAM means either 8 GB or 16 GB, and initial page file size will be into 1024 into 8 into 1.5. 1024 into 8 GB RAM into 1.5, and this is your initial paging file size 12288. Now go to maximum paging file size. This formula is 1024 into total amount of RAM into 3. So again 1024 into 8 GB RAM into 3, and this should be your 24576 should be your maximum paging file size. So increase set your virtual memory size as per this formula. If you have 16 GB RAM, then keep 16 GB and otherwise 8 GB and click on set. Finally, choose apply and OK to save the changes. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. You must restart your system after changing paging file size. The next workaround is go to your Google Chrome browser, open it. Here, click on 3 vertical dot against top right corner and under help choose about and update your Google Chrome app. Sometimes outdated Chrome may be a cause of such type of chrome.exe application error appear. So you must update your Google Chrome browser. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose device manager. In device manager windows, go to display adapter section, expand it and right click on your display adapter driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers and let Windows complete the updating process of your driver. After that, close the windows and check whether your chrome.exe application error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button, choose settings. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update. From the right side, click on check for updates and if any available updates, you must download and install in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various error appears.